Hello and welcome everyone. This is me Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google party company. And guys, in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, management, or landing page or web development services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and I look forward to working with you guys. So now let's come to the case study regarding Google Ads. Running for content writing service, assignment writing services. So this is I'm here with another case study because recently we got a client who was interested to do assignment writing, and the behavior or the suspension error or the ads disapproval error, you can say he got was enabling dishonest behavior. Okay, ads may be still approved, but you get a very less exposure, and then your ads can be, account can be suspended as well, or your ads can be disapproved. So also, Google is very tough in for those people who want to run assignment writing, content writing, essay writing, or such services on Google Ads. So which is why I'm here with a recent case study. So recently, a client came to us and who wanted to get it. He was very concerned, supportive, and when he provided us with his website, and we just discussed everything, and what we did was, because we have a detailed checklist, because we have been working with Google for 15 years. I run a Google party company, me along with my team. So what we did was, we did an initial audit. I'm going to show you the audit as well, so you guys can see on what things. Okay, every case is a different case over here. So over here, when we said that there was a word on the website like cheap assignment is the prime assignment writing service for you, your dreams are our goal. So we changed some words, come and take help from our professional assignments, write it at much affordable rates, that you wonder how you're managing it. So we just changed, we changes a word. That was the first thing which we did for the claims to be done, because that first of all, in case if you are having any claims on the Google suggested that needs to be backed up by third party or evidences, or from any pub authority. Plus Google also do not recommend ideally for students to that someone else does their assignments. That also Google feels like that is not a right way. So to get this issue sorted, uh, we also did other things as well. I'm going to show you as well on what things we did. Also, apart from this, because we have been working with the Google, and there are some issues apart from the content which causes ad disapprovals. Based on our experiences, we have gathered something. So I'm just sharing with you as like the placeholder is an error of a coding error, programming error. Majority of the people do not know about it. You can see over here that this is the coding error on the website, for placeholder, which we had to remove. We also find a dead link. We also felt that the page speed do not meet the standards of the Google. That also we felt like that is a problem over here as well. And this is another detailed documenting of writing that we did was to sort out those issues. uh, you know if I even further make it to this one, so you guys can read as well. So you can see that how we rephrase this, you know uh, assistance with their thesis, rephrased with them, expert help. And then we also had a similarly dedicated channel with Google. Being a Google partner, we also worked with this, and we had to discuss with them as well. You can see over here that this is an enabling dishonest behavior error also came when we tried running this error. And because we were simultaneously in contact with Google regarding this, so one of them suggested few of the things to our team, like, we have found that the term affordable assignment writing services is causing your ads to be disapproved. To resolve this issue, please remove this term from your website. Ensure that the term is completely removed to facilitate the approval of your ads. If you need any assistance with this process or have any further questions, feel free to reach out, because we have a dedicated support. And when our suggested us to remove this word, and then again we rephrased it. And after this, what we did was, I'm going to show you over here. This is discussions, and then we finally, the ad was in the pending review. And then you can see over here that we finally got it approved over here. I can show you, even by refreshing over here, so you guys can see over there that we got the ad approved, and that is an ultimate winning or success of ourselves. You can see over here that this is an eligible ad now, and there is no error of disapproval is being shown. So this is how we work. And in case if you need help in Google Ads disapproval, circumventing, compromised, malicious, misrepresentation, misleading, I mean, there are so many errors and issues where we help around. We also help with Google Ads suspension, Google Merchant Center suspension. We also help with Google Ads audit, setup, management. So we have a lot of things, so what you have to do is to simply hire us through the link in the description. I hope you like this quick study. And in case if you need a professional help, you guys are more than welcome to hire me in my company. And I look forward for working with you as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And again, I look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.